Meeting Kaivan was such a unplanned, coincidental thing. When I was not really looking for it, it all just happened. When I met Kaivan, I had nothing like, oh, this is going to be the guy or something. But I think we hit it off very well from day one. And yeah, the first time we met, we ended up speaking for hours and hours. And he's like, I think it's getting too late. The driver has to go home. So let's head back. Like, cool, theek hai, chalo, we'll meet again. Second time we meet, again, it goes on for 3-4 hours. And it's past 12, it's 1:30 in the night.
On the 5th date, I had that feeling that, she's like really good in all the ways, I wouldn't say love has changed. I would say it has evolved even more. As you grow, you learn more things. The same way you learn to love in more ways. It's not just saying I love you and going out on dates or messaging good morning, which I used to do.
I think somewhere in between all of this, I found my own safe space. And it just happened so organically that it didn't even feel like, this is like an arranged setup or something.
लड़के को समझो, जो छोटे बच्चे को जब आप पैदा होता है और हाथ में लेते हैं और उसी बच्चे को के सर पे जब आप उसका सेहरा बांधते हैं, यानी जब सेहरा जब मैंने लगाया उसको कि भाई हाँ अभी तू दूल्हा बन गया है और अभी तेरी शादी होने वाली है, दैट मोमेंट इज वेरी गुड टू सी हिम नाउ विद सेहरा कि नहीं, अब नाउ ही इज गोइंग टू ओपन अ न्यू चैप्टर ऑफ हिज लाइफ.
Personally, back of my mind, I was always wanting to have a daughter. Maybe it's a selfish reason. They will take care of the father or the parents better than a boy.
I'm like her child. I always, in fact, I think one of the first few times that she went to Kaivan's house, she mentioned also, she said, Isha is my first child. And to me, she is my third parent. I have been so sheltered growing up because Mansi has never made me feel like anything is ever wrong in our house. Or if there is something, of course, like small battles, she doesn't fight for me, but bigger ones, like asking me practical questions, like.
And I'm really happy that she found someone, because I don't want to talk about it actually.
She's always been a very responsible daughter, in the sense because she was the firstborn, maturity came naturally to her. She's a very quiet person, but a very strong from inside.
When I saw Kaivan on the stage for the Varmala, and he was eagerly waiting for her to come up on the stage, and he had tears of joy, and that was really heart touching for me. That and I was sure कि अभी Kaivan is going to take care of Mansi. I don't have to worry about it.